Hey, welcome back. Still in the cultural vein. This time we're looking at drumming. You know, the drums. I love the beat of drums. I love the sound of drums. African drums, Indian drums, Chinese drums. You name it. We are six people. We are one race. We want. Should I say we one race? We one nation. We one people, one nation, one destiny. That's our motto. So we celebrate a Guyanese thing. We are one love. We're an example to the world. And when it comes to drums, the drums of many different reasons, African drums, yeah, you name it. But when we come together and we can celebrate with rhythms and the sound of drums, this is what it sounds like. Check it out.